Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing PowerShell 7 and verifying it runs. Once installed, open PWSH to confirm the version so you know you have the right binary. Next, launch Windows Terminal because this is the easiest place to pick your default shell. Make sure other terminal windows are closed to avoid confusion. You will switch the default profile there. This changes which shell opens when you press your launcher shortcut or start Windows Terminal from the taskbar. You now change the default profile inside Windows Terminal. Open Settings and locate the PowerShell 7 profile in the Profiles list. In the UI, you can right-click or view details to see the profile GUID. Once located, copy that GUID. Then go to the Startup or Defaults section and paste the GUID into Default Profile, or select PowerShell 7 from the drop-down if available. Save or apply the settings. This makes PWSH open. When you finish by validating the change, open a new Windows Terminal tab and run $PS version table. PS version to confirm PowerShell 7 is active. If you want scripts to open with PWSH by double-click, change the PS1 file association to PWSH. EXE in Settings right arrow Apps right arrow Default Apps. If it didn't stick, restart Windows Terminal first, then recheck the profile GUID in Settings. Mismatched GUID are the usual culprit. If profiles are missing, reinstall PowerShell 7 and repeat the steps to restore the PWSH profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.